So this is a tutorial on what I did with my Bosch washer 500 series when it had issues. The issue I had with this Bosch washer was that it wasn't draining properly. So what happened was, whenever I tried to drain it, it would make this loud hum and it would make an incredible amount of noise. So this is where I take apart the entire washer. Now I didn't need to do this, which I realized later on, but I happened to do it at the time. In any event, I took apart the washer. It was way more work than it needed to be. I should have looked for smaller problems before I did this. Okay, so this is where I started to figure out the problem. This is the drain pump, and obviously I had to fix the surrounding areas, but this was the issue right here. And I'm gonna point to it. The agitator basically can't be too tight or too loose because it runs on a magnet. When it's too tight, it doesn't move. It still makes a hum. But if it's too loose, it just pops right out and doesn't work at all.